Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Leifheit Profi XL Mop and Bucket Set. Wow, yeah, Deluxe 42 centimeters large floor mop. Easy steer microfiber mop head and professional wringer. Bucket with rollers. That's awesome. That's really awesome, and you can see it really easy to handle. Clean, large floors. This Deluxe Profi XL Flat Mop from Leifheit has a thick microfiber, high efficiency head and a large wringing bucket. This offers us a professional clean. Yeah, and it's back friendly. The wringing bucket means no bending over to wring the mop. Easy steer the head with universal head joint for easy cleaning around the furniture. You can see it's healthier for you if you're going to use this professional tool from Leifheit. And it's fast and clean. With the Leifheit mop holder, wringing bucket, hands will stay clean thanks to the large 42 centimeters wiper. Even large rooms can be cleaned quickly, and it's a complete set. With its large capacity of 8-liter filled volume bucket, this is the comprehensive mop and the bucket set for professional standard home floor cleaning. Leifheit Professional XL Mop Bucket Set and Floor Wiper, 42 centimeters wiping wide. Large bucket, 51 to 29 to 39 centimeters. And 3-part 135 centimeter handle. The item number is 55096, and it's really good, as you can see. It is so nice and easy. This is the Profi Mop. Oh yeah, the Profi Mop and bucket set on rollers with its micro dual floor wiper excellence at cleaning large areas of all floor types, leaving them spotless and fresh. The mop's generous width of 42 centimeters and its particle and coordinating portable bucket with a foot press for rinsing makes cleaning the floors in the home effortless. The steel handle mop is lightweight with an ingenious flexible 360-degree swivel to clean efficiently around the furnitures. The wiper cover micro dew is made from Leifheit's unique microfibers, which are extremely fine and incredible powerful while cleaning. It removes touch stains, no problem. The complementing Profi box has an 8-liter of capacity. There is no need for bending down and for hands to get wet. The wiper is simply fed into the press and squeezed damp. The bucket is set on soft rollers, this making light work of floor cleaning. For homes with more than one type of hard floor surfaces, tile, woods, for example, and for different floor cleaning requirements, supplementary, these Profi wipers can attach the mop base. Effective microfiber cleaning is on board. Through cleaning for all floors, thanks to its thick 2-fiber type absorbent microfiber wiper, the fibers efficiently pick up and hold onto dust and dirt and release this when immersed in water and solution. The fine bristles even reach and remove the most stubborn of floor stains. And a steerable steel handle is included too. This makes it so much durable because it's made of strong steel. The handle has a flexible wiping joint at the base, enabling the mop to steer easily in wavy lines and around, of course, furnitures and babies too. And it can neatly maneuver into corners. And we have a flexible mop joint. The handle also have a flat angle joint, enabling the mop to lie flat. Cleaning those difficult to reach floors areas under furnitures and cabinets. And we can gently clean along skirting boards. In addition to the floor surface being wiped, the mop can comfortably and lightly wipe along the skittering boards at furniture's edges at the same time, thanks to its deep microfiber fleece cover. And it's really easy to attach, and of course it's really easy to remove it again. The wiper cover attached to the clips on the mop's frame base. This enables the wiper to hang from the frame for immersive and rinsing in the bucket. Unclip to remove and wash or replace it. The machine washable at 60 degrees Celsius. Of course it's recommended to not wash microfiber with fabric conditioners. Oh yeah. And a foot press to release. This is, I think, it's the best thing here because you do not have to use your hands for it. We can use the foot press to release the wiper cover from one end in the frame pocket to then hang and emerge into the water. No bending is required. To reattach, drop onto the floor and insert the head mechanism into the mop pocket. And then we have to press to the floor to lock it. And the second big thing of this product is simple foot press rinsing. After immersing into the bucket of the water, hang the wiper to fall into the bucket's rinse press. We are going to use the foot paddle to squeeze away excess water in the cover. For wood floors, press multiple times for damp-only cleaning. And there are so many difficult wipers on the market from Leifheit. The wiper cover accessories are big. There are, I think it was 6 of them are available, and you will get one in the set. Additional 42 centimeters wide Leifheit Profi floor wipers are available for different cleaning functions. We have the Micro Duo for all floors. Okay, this is 55-122. This is a direct replacement. And Cotton Plus is available too. Tiles and stones, for example. Or Super Soft. This is for sensitive floors. And Static Plus. This is for dry floor dusting. And the big one is the Outdoor Active. This is for outdoor tiles and pool sides. You can choose what you like of the covers, but you can use all day long the Leifheit Profi XL mop and bucket set with these covers. No problem to use them because these covers are all compatible with that set, as you can see. It's really nice, big, good quality, made in Germany, and we can use it all day long for each day cleaning at home. No problem, because the Leifheit Profi XL mop and bucket set will fight against up to 99%. This will remove up to 99% of viruses and bacteria. They're all gone. Micro Duo 360 degrees rotatable XL, extra large 42 centimeters, and it comes with a click system, and it's easy to carry, and of course easy to make the work process easily. This is the really awesome Leifheit Professional extra large mop and bucket set. It's Deluxe, oh yeah, 42 centimeters large floor mop with an easy steer microfiber mop head and a professional wringer bucket with rollers. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.